applying vinyl to the hood. The first step. Clean the hood by spraying it with alcohol and wiping it with a microfiber cloth to remove dust, especially from the corners and edges. Applying liquid soap to clean. The second step. Apply masking tape to the parts close to the edges of the hood to prevent the film from sticking to them. The third step. Cut the film according to the dimensions of the hood, with 10 cm extra on all sides to ensure sufficient coverage. The fourth step. Apply the film to the hood, making sure it exerts pressure, and pull gently on all four corners to prevent wrinkles. The fifth step. Once the position is fixed, use a sponge to scrape from the middle towards the edges until no creases or bubbles are left. If there are significant wrinkles, lift the film, slightly heat it with the heat gun, and reapply. The sixth step. Trim the excess film, but leave an extra 1 to 2 cm for wrapping around the edges. The seventh step. Heat the edges with the heat gun. Use your fingertips to push and secure the film gradually, and then heat the edges again to adhere the wrap perfectly.